go ahead and smash that subscribe button and click that bell. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys an easy install. So I want to share with you all today this wig and how I applied this wig to look really natural. Today I also want to just touch and talk about the invisible lace and the transparent lace and just to give you guys my perspective about it, because there's been a lot of questions about the differences between the two. This wig comes from MyFirstWig.com. I will be sure to link it below in the description box. This is a new style on their website. Also, a lot of people have been talking about the hair quality of wigs and also the actual lace quality, so we're also going to discuss that in today's video, and I'm going to give you guys my perception on it while showing you all how I applied this wig. So if you want to see that, make sure you keep on watching and let's jump right in. I'm getting ready to install this wig, well, glue it down. So as you can see, the lace color blends really beautifully. It's very invisible. It does match. The only thing about this wig, it did not come with bleached knots, so I had to bleach the knots myself. I have already washed it, so this is how it looks, freshly washed and knot style. I'm going to take some tweezers and just get rid of some of the hair right around the front. This wig do come with a pre-plucked hairline, and it is a free part, so you can part it anywhere on the lace. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this extra lace before I glue down the wig. So I just want to talk about the invisible lace compared to the transparent lace, because there is a huge difference. The invisible lace is a lot thinner than the transparent. The transparent lace is more so like the color of the lace, and a lot of people like the transparent lace because they can tint it to the color that they want it to be. So if you do have a problem trying to find your lace color, you will be able to change the color of it. Now, what the invisible lace is just the quality of the lace, basically, on how well it's going to blend. So whenever I'm cutting the lace on my wigs, I like to pull the hair up, and you can do this off your head. You can do it on a foam head or a canvas head. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to do it right here on my head. When doing this, just follow the natural shape of the hairline. Get as close to the hair as possible without actually cutting into the hair. And if you want to be real detailed, you can follow the shape of the hairline, or you can just kind of create your own by doing a zigzag motion. If you were not to glue this wig down, this is how it will look with just the adjustable band in the back. Now, the back of the wig, of course, is still loose because it's not glued down. You do have a comb you can insert into your hair to give it a more secure, laid down fit. So the simplest way I find to glue down your wig on the go. Now, this is not good for swimming. This is not good for sweating. I'm just going to be honest. If you need to get out the door and you just want to glue your wig down really fast, the fastest way is to use the Got2b blasting free spray. I will be sure to link this wig with everything I'm using down in the description box. So what I'm going to do is just spray, and I already have the ball cap method done where I'm using the wig cap attached to my head, and I find that this way is a lot easier and faster for me. It helps my hair lay really flat. I do know how to cornrow my hair, but a lot of times I do not before I install my wig, so I need my hair to lay as flat as possible. So I like to put the wig cap on and do the ball cap method so that my hair can lay flat. So just spray it and then rub it, and you don't have to worry about it drying really fast because it's hairspray. Next, you want to position the wig where you want it to lay, like I'm doing, and then you just take the blow dryer and dry those areas. So this is how well the lace blends. And as you can see, the invisible lace really is invisible. Now, if you don't cut off all of the extra lace, you will notice that you can see it, but right now this lace is blending so well. And that is the difference between a transparent lace and invisible lace. That was very simple, and that's the great thing about everything that I'm showing in today's videos. Besides bleaching the knots on this wig, if you have to do that, the application was very simple. What I'm going to use right now is the flyaway tamer, and a lot of you always ask me, where do I get this? I get mine from MyFirstWig.com. You can easily find it on the website. It will have an option when you go to purchase the wig if you want to add this when you purchase your wig. What I like to do is just add this around the hair before I press out the hair. And the reason I like to press out the hair is because With lace wigs, the individual strands of hair are tied at the base of the cap. So a lot of times you'll notice, like right now, the wig, the hair is sticking up. For example, when you go like this and you want to set apart, the hair just kind of flaps back to the other side. Long time ago, I used water to make my parting. Now that I have discovered, you know, the flyaway tamer and also the hot comb, I use the hot comb to get the effect that I'm going for. This wig does come with a side parting. The hair on this side is shorter and then this side is longer. And I'm just going to take my hot comb and push the hair where I want it to go. I will be sure to link my hot comb and products that I like to use down in the description. Before I flat iron this hair, I'm going to be using the She 44 iron guard. This will protect the hair. I always find it so difficult to flat iron and style short wigs on my head, so I normally do it on a foam head or a canvas head because it's a lot easier. I will link my flat iron below if you are interested in the flat iron that I'm using. Be sure to click that like button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. So I read a comment, someone said that they noticed that when the lace quality is really good, the hair quality depletes. And I think the problem with it is a lot of companies want to offer this really natural invisible lace. However, the cost of that lace is very, very expensive from what I've heard. Or I guess it's hard to offer an extremely well quality wig with perfect hair, perfect lace, perfect bleach knots, perfect hairline without charging too much. So a lot of times, you know, companies will give the client what they want the most. And right now, a lot of people want the lace to be very undetectable on their wigs. Now, the hair quality on this wig, I do like. I don't feel like it's horrible. It did change after I washed it. So when I first got the wig, the texture was really, really silky. But now it has like a little bit more coarse like, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain it. It went from silky to relaxed. Just not relaxed texture. Don't get me wrong. This is not a relaxed texture. It looked like it have a little bit of texture. You can see what I'm talking about, okay? I admit that I don't like short styles like this. This wig, I actually like the cut of it. I think it's really pretty. A lot of times, because I do have such strong facial features, when I wear shorter styles, it can make my facial features just be like, pow. So I really like that this style complements me a lot. You guys know when I put my earrings in, I am done. So this is the final look and I really, really like it so very much. This wig is really pretty. We do have a few flyaways going on up here. Basically, flyaways is like little strands of hair. It comes from when they tie the hair at the base of the cap. Imagine tying a knot and then you release. But yeah, I really like the style. I will be sure to link it below in the description box if you are interested, along with the products from today's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. And I will see you back in my next video. Mwah.